channel. Today I will show you how to change the taskbar color in Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Firstly, go to search bar. Here you will type settings, open settings, then go to personalization. Here you will see colors, click on colors. These all the colors you will change to taskbar. Firstly, you will select any of the color. If it is not performing, then click on choose your mode. From there you will select dark. Now show accent color on start and taskbar, turn it on. Here you will see your taskbar color will be changed successfully. You can select any of the color. If you no need to dark mode, then again go to choose your mode, click on there. Here from there you can select custom and default app mode turn into light. Here you will see your apps, all apps are in light mode. Your taskbar is customized successfully. And that's it. Your Windows 11 taskbar now has a fresh new color. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching.